Hi, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to make this traditional Japanese lantern with a little help from a plastic container. You may also use this smaller cylindrical container to make this tiny little cute lantern. Please check out my other videos for more of these crafts. So let's get creative, shall we? First, find a jar or a tube-like container to use as the mold. This container is 20 cm in height with 13.5 cm in diameter. Take a big card paper to cover around the container, then cut 1 cm paper strips. Let's make 13 pieces of paper strips. Then measure and cut 2 pieces of 2 cm paper strips. Test the length of the paper strips and trim it if needed. We can now stick the paper strip around the mold. Make sure that it is not too tight and not too loose, just enough for it to move. Stick the paper strip with gaps in between. You can make the gaps slightly bigger, make sure the size of the gaps are all the same. Now take a string and a big needle. You may also use a stick. Tie the string and connect it to each paper strip as shown. Do this in 4 equal parts of the circle. Now take a tissue wrapper. Then apply glue on each paper strip. Avoid putting glue on the mold. Then gently attach a tissue wrapper on each of the paper strips. Make sure that the tissue wrapper is flat and no bumps. Gently stretch the wrapper as you stick it, to avoid from tearing the paper. Then cut out the excess wrapper. Leave at least 3 cm for the bottom part. We can now start painting the lantern. Then let it dry for a few minutes. Now that the glue and the paint have dried up, gently push it out from the mold. Then take the 2 paper strips that we cut earlier. You may paint it or you may stick some colored paper on it. Flatten the edges of the lantern and bend the paper strips before attaching them together. Take the remaining 1 cm paper strip and cut it to half. Bend both sides and stick it as shown. Then tie a string on both sides to hold the lantern. We can now add the lights.
And just like that, we just created our Japanese lantern. I hope you had fun making this craft with us today. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time. Bye!